This support agent passes 4 tests. It still should not ship until its operating boundaries are explicit. Before implementation, I want 7 controls in one scope and a gate that can reject the build. Here, all 7 controls pass, 3 dangerous actions are denied, and the executable checks stay green. The scope names permissions, available tools, failure states, cost limits, traces, human handoff, and acceptance tests. Allowed actions are written down. Dangerous actions are denied, not implied. This fixture uses synthetic support tickets, so the proof is reproducible without exposing customer data. Now remove the human handoff. The JSON still parses, but the operational contract is incomplete. The validator exits non-zero and names the missing control. That failure matters more than a polished agent demo. If the gate cannot catch an unsafe scope before the build, it is only documentation. Restore the handoff instead of weakening the assertion. The same validator passes again, and the original 4 tests remain green. Acceptance tests are not a cleanup task after implementation. They define the build decision before time and budget are committed. If your team needs an operational agent scoped this way, the builder's project brief asks what is blocked, which engagement fits, the approved budget, target start, and who owns the decision. The tracked link is below. No form was submitted during this recording.